Hey, how you doing? This is Tracy, passionately intrigued arts and more. Do you have ceramic pots that don't have holes in the bottom and you need drainage? Put some water. Put some water where you're going to drill, and you need a drill bit, a diamond drill bit. I have a Dremel, and my Dremel came with diamond bits. So I'm using this one, and I'm able to put holes in this ceramic so that I have drain holes. Got one in there already, and this is the second one I'm working on. I'm going to eventually put 3. This base is rather thick, so it's taking me a little time. And I'm just putting a little pressure on it and moving it around. Drill got a little hot. It gave out on me. So I switched up. Oh, there we go. You got it. And there we have it. I got 2 holes so far. Can you see inside there? I don't know if you can see inside. Make it a little bigger on the inside. And I'll do the other one off camera. Take a little time, but it can be done. Now I have a ceramic pot, beautiful pot, with drainage holes, and I'm going to use this for my lavender plant. So I'm going to work on this 3rd hole, and I think that should be enough holes for drainage. Hit that thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Have you tried this before? Do you need to put holes in your ceramic pots? Toodles! Okay, look y'all, I got 3 drain holes, and I can use this beautiful pot to put one of my plants in. Improvise, make it do what it do. I didn't have an actual drill bit that was diamond, but I did have Dremel bits. That worked. Took me about 15 minutes to put the 3 holes in there. Well worth it to me. I'm out.